Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and opening the Apple TV app because purchases tie to that account. Once done, go straight to Library and select Purchases to list bought movies. You do this now to avoid searching later. It centralizes everything. If you're on Apple TV, use the remote to select Library. On Mac or iPad, click or tap Purchases. Make sure the device is online, since the app needs to verify purchases before you remove them. Now find the specific purchased movie you want to remove. You'll see options differ by device. On iPhone or iPad, swipe left and tap Remove. On Mac, right-click or control-click and pick Remove. On Apple TV, highlight the movie, open the More menu and select Remove. Choose Remove from Library to hide the purchase, or Remove Download to free local space while keeping it in the cloud. You do this to declutter while preserving the ability to re-download later. Finish by verifying the movie is gone from Library. Make sure Purchases refreshes. If it still appears, restart the Apple TV app or the device. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh to sync changes. If that doesn't help, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, because account sync issues often block removals. As a last resort, contact Apple support to check purchase status and hidden items. They can clear server-side glitches so your library shows correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.